Taking a look at SMCI here on unusual whales. We have JP Morgan here as of March 21st, which is today. $45 price target and a hold recommendation. The one before that is Rosenblatt here on March 10th, a $60 price target and a buy recommendation. And that's pretty much it for March here for now. Let's go ahead and go into Webull here and take a look at the chart here today. I'll go ahead and share my personal opinion in terms of the downside and upside potential for SMCI. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility here going into the next couple of weeks, as you already see today here, up about 8% on the day. And if we compare our current price here of $42, and we retest that high there of $66.44, this again is going to be the most bullish case scenario during this year of 2025. If we get this stair step back up towards the top side or even a bigger rally breaking above the upper Bollinger Band, that's going to be about a 58% move towards the top side here. And if you believe $66 here is going to be retested, again, that's going to be a 57 to 58% move towards the top side. Now, we recently had a low of $34.51 there. If we compare the current price here to the downside of $34, keep in mind this is the downside of 18 to 19%. Okay. With this in mind, you can see the risk here is about 18%. I don't think we break anything lower than $34 unless we have really bad news on SMCI or the overall market. And then in terms of upside, I do think we start to see a stair step up and then a rally up on one of these weeks as well for SMCI. Upside here again, we have 57% or 58% versus the risk here of 18 to 19%. So with this in mind, let me know what you guys are doing down below for SMCI stock. I think dollar cost averaging while we are below the middle Bollinger Band. So anything below $43.50 I think is a pretty good time to be adding into SMCI in my opinion, especially if you're looking to play the momentum move or if you're looking to go long term into SMCI. I personally wouldn't want to be buying closer to the upper Bollinger Band. Of course, that would be increasing the risk of a pullback, right? So I would be buying high and selling low basically at that point. What I would prefer is purchasing into SMCI personally below the middle Bollinger Band. And again, that is below $43.50. Wouldn't mind adding into SMCI and then looking for that swing or momentum move towards $57 to about $66 there, okay? I think there's a lot more upside than downside potential for SMCI stock in conclusion there. If we go into the 4-hourly chart here, just kind of moving sideways here, you might see a 5% up, 10% down, vice versa. $45 high here recently, and then of course our low here of $33. I'm looking for that stair step back up, so keep an eye out for SMCI towards the top side. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you bearish or bullish on SMCI here for the short term or long term? And if you don't have a community yet, feel free to join our Discord. Link down below in the description. It's free to join and over 32,000 people are there. We have an SMCI chat section as well. You can share your due diligence, ask questions, and read up on other people's opinions on SMCI stock and several other stocks as well included. If you are looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. We currently have a permanent discount there as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. It's going to be live entries and exits on stocks and options from 12 analysts there. So if that's something you're interested in, highly recommend joining the Patreon as it will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for SMCI update.